Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech, back with another video. In today's video guys, we're gonna be showing you how to actually run N8N locally on your machine. If you don't know what N8N is, it's basically a AI automation platform where you can automate every single thing using the power of AI. You can create your own automation, or you can import some custom templates to automate, like I said, everything. That could be content creation on social media. If you have multiple social media accounts and you need to actually create and manage those posts, you can do that using this platform, or maybe create content for your website, create videos, etc. So basically you can automate every single task using the power of AI. And if we go to the pricing tab, you can see that the minimum amount, if you want to actually commit and use this platform, is $20 per month. If you want more workflow, more execution and whatnot, you essentially pay more. If you want to actually go for the self-hosted, where they will be giving you a dedicated server for your accounts, you will be paying up to $700, which is a quite hefty amount to pay for this tool. So in today's video, we're gonna be showing you how to run N8N locally on your machine. If you got a Windows machine or if you got a Linux machine, basically the same method applies. But before we jump into this video, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions. And yeah, without further ado, let's just start with this video. The first thing that you need to do is just head to docker.com, and what you need to do is simply download the Docker desktop app. If you have any other machine, like I said, if you got like an Apple, download the Apple version. If you got Linux, then download the Linux app as well. And once you do that, all you need to do is just install it on your machine. So for me, it's Windows AMD 64 because it's an AMD system. If you're not sure which system that you have, basically just go to your system file and check for which system that you have. And once you download the Docker app, all you need to do is just run it and let it install on your machine. Once you finish installing it on your desktop, all you need to do is just open the app itself and head to images, and in here all you need to do is just type in N8N IO, just like that, and hit search. Once you search N8N IO, you will see this image right here. I do have it because I actually ran this before making this video just to make sure. And we need to import this image into our local system. So what you need to do is just simply click on this three dots menu, then click Pull, and just wait for the image to be downloaded on your local machine. Once the image is imported on your Docker, all you need to do is just click this run button in here, click additional settings or optional settings, and you can name it in here like whatever name that you wish to name it with. The port, you can basically leave it as is or put 0, and it will just generate a random port for you, or you can put a port that is not above this number right here. So let's just say, for example, we're gonna put 5670. That's our port in here. And for the volume, you can set the container path on which path is it installed on your machine. Once everything is just done, click run just like this and wait for it to load and to execute the commands to run on your local machine. And once everything is just installed, click this link up top. It will take you to the admin panel. I need to actually create an admin account, so put in your email, first name, last name, and password. And just like that, click next. As you can see, now we are prompted with these questions as usual, so you gotta answer these questions. So just, for example, put some random answers in here, and let's just get this installation done with. And yeah, let's just do LinkedIn. Get started, skip, and voila, just like that, you can now start using N8N on your local machine. And you can create your automation from scratch. Click on create from scratch, and as you can see, you can create your automation from scratch, or you can import basically the templates from the templates tab in here. So basically it's just free N8N on your local machine. Alright guys, that was just a quick tutorial on how to actually install N8N on your local machine. If you found this video quite helpful, then drop a like, comment down below, and definitely subscribe to the channel. That will help us immensely. On that note, we'll finish this video. Take care of yourselves guys, and see you in the next one, and peace.